The great music of the 80s. It reflected the energy of the decade. And its innovative styles transformed rock forever. Now you can listen again to this awesome music at its best with hits of the 80s from the Columbia House Music Collection. Start with the landmark hits of 1982 and 83. You'll get 18 top-charting hits from a wide range of rock's biggest stars. Nearly 70 minutes of incredible listening, all sounding better than ever on CD. Call now and get it for the special introductory price of just $9.95 plus shipping and handling. You'll then receive future hits of the 80s volumes about every 4 to 6 weeks. Listen to each volume for 14 days risk-free. Keep only those volumes you want. There is no minimum to buy. Cancel anytime. So call now and get hits of the 80s, 1982 and 83 for our $9.95 special introductory price.
Relax, don't you rest when you want to go to rest. Relax.
The hot groups.
Gonna have to face it, you're addicted to love.
Their hottest hits. Presenting Sounds of the 80s. Now get all your favorite 80s hits in one dynamite collection.
She's a super freak, she's super freaking out. There's something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Get Sounds of the 80s for just $9.99 on compact disc or double-length cassette. That's more than one full hour of powerful hits. Audition other great Sounds of the 80s albums. There's no minimum to buy. Cancel anytime. Sounds of the 80s is not sold in stores, so call now.
To order Sounds of the 80s 1984, call 1-800-313-2400 or send us $9.99 for one cassette or one CD, plus $3.50 shipping and handling to Sounds of the 80s, Department 6, Richmond, Virginia.